Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and this is Academic Research and Victor Shamaki. And in today's video, we're going to look at the brief interface of the Unimat. Uh, so Unimat is a plugin that is in Microsoft, developed by Patrick, and it basically enables and enhances your research, helps you to get some things automated in terms of formatting and other things. So today we're also going to look at the interface and just put you through how to navigate the interface. That's the purpose of today's tutorial. So when you have it installed on your system, you will see it appear like this. The reason why this is Abomat, it's because I am using the ABU format of the Unimat, right? So you will see it appear like this. If I click on it, it's going to take me into the very interface of this plugin. So these are basically what you will see. We have the document navigation, we have the formatting, the reference management, the preliminary page, and the app action. So these are basically the interface of this very software. So the first here is the create template. That's where you're going to go about creating the template to which you start Unimat. Before you do anything on Unimat, you must create a template. All right. So we have the heading pans. So if I click on this heading pan, you're going to see that it's going to bring you out the very headings that are being identified within the document. All will come out like this. If I click again, it will go, and we have the collapse heading. So if I want every other thing to, like, inside this heading, say getting started, we have 10 videos to. If I click on collapse now and I click on collapse all, you will see that the only thing that will be left will be the headings and no any other thing on it. So if I come back and say expand all, and they will come back. So this is the main purpose of this document navigation. And one of another fine thing that you find with here is the open file location. So if I want to know where this very files is saved on my system, I will just click on open file location, and it will take me directly to where it is. And you can see that this is that very file we have here on this. So it's a very cool feature, and you can see. So the next we have is the formatting. Okay, so in the formatting we have the auto organize, which it helps you automatically organize your documents from the line spacing to the margin and every other thing. It helps you do that. It's not active because we are not on Unimat document at the moment. So as we proceed, you'll begin to learn as you go on. So here you create both PDF and a PowerPoint. Then here is where you update fields. So it's not still active as well. It's just updating the general fields. So it's supposed to allow us look into and update all the ones we want to update. So as we go further, will explode all of them together. You can insert caption, inside tables, and inside equations, all from here. And you can rework all headings within here. So this is what this formatting does. So next we have the reference management, which we have the add reference. You want to add reference to any of these things, for example this. So once you click on add reference, you're going to take you to a place where you're going to add reference. We're going to take them slowly, so with time I will explain to you how you will do all of this. So I'm just showing you that when you click on it, it's going to take you, it's connected to Google Scholar, so you will get the reference there and bring it into your work. All right, so we have the manage sources, which helps you to organize your sources and cited documents within the whole thing. So these are mostly about reference and all of that. So we have the style here. Which of the Abomat style are you using? So we have the APA, Abomat APA 7th edition, 7th edition 2, 6th edition, Chicago, and all of that. So that's about the style. So automatically when you just bring it, you don't need to change anything. It's already on this APA, the 7th edition. And then here you can add a list of reference and the bibliography in those appropriate pages and all of that. So that is that about this. So the preliminary page helps you once you've been able to update all your references and everything, table, figures, you'll be able to automatically generate a preliminary pages directly on Abomat. So the app actions, which is the last thing here, is basically has to do with what is the software all about. That's the information about the software, the license you want to activate it. You can see saying my software is activated already, and then if I want to update, though the developer said he has done some stuff about this, so we'll get more about the update as time goes by. So then the refresh tab and then settings will take you to where you'll be able to choose which country with time. Basically now it's just Nigeria, and then these are schools that have already been embedded into it. We have ABU, we have Unimats, that's Federal University of Lafayette, we have IFEMAD, Obafemi Awolowo University, University of Lagos, UNILAG, then National Open University, and University of Ibadan. I think some other like Futmina, APTI, American University, and all on are on the way that will be added. Now, why you see them like this in different schools is basically it takes after the formatting of those schools, how their research, both undergraduate, both masters, got PhD, all the way the ideal way they accept their research have been formatted into the software. That's why you're seeing different schools in them. All right, so basically that is that all about the software. And this software is, like I said, developed by one of our very own, a Nigerian, and this software is so powerful that I believe when you start using it, you will not want to stop using it. So if you want to get a license, I will drop his number on the description. Please contact him. The software can be downloaded online at unimats.ng, and you can contact him for license. The license is not online yet, but you can contact him where he'll give you the license key, and then that's all. But it's not for free. When you contact him, you will get the price and all of that. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we go into exploring how to create template or how to open a new document in Unimat. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.